Hey y'all, welcome to our herd of worms. So we're always trying new foods as we come across it here at the worm farm. You know, food that's gone bad or stale or has gotten moldy and whatnot. So we had some bread we decided to put in here, and no surprise, the worms are getting after it pretty good. There's pretty much no limit to the stuff you can add to the worm bins to be turned into worm castings we all know and love to use for our farms and gardens. But if you're unsure if it's something you should add to the worm bin, we found a pretty good rule to go by is pretty much any food that comes from something that grows out of the ground is usually going to be okay. Some stuff the worms might not touch right away. Sometimes they like to let the microbes in the bin, go to work on it first before they move in, and other things you notice they'll be all over it within the first 12 to 24 hours, like you see here. The things you really want to stay away from is any animal products or products that come from animals. So, things like meat, dairy, stuff like that. Now, that's not to say they won't eat it, but that stuff tends to smell real bad and also attracts unwanted pests like bugs if you're indoors. It's even worse if you're outdoors like we are here at Herd of Worms. You might start attracting raccoons, possums, and even bears. And these kind of animals, obviously really wreak havoc on or, completely destroy your bins. So hopefully this helps you all out. If so, you'll probably like the other content we're working on, so be sure to like and subscribe to follow along to our future content. We'd love to have you join our herd. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. We read and try to reply to each and every one. If you have any topics you'd like to see in future videos, be sure to let us know. Thanks for watching.